The California State Eviction Moratorium ends on September 30th, 2021. Once it's over, it doesn't mean that everyone who can't pay is going to be evicted. Plus, the state has over $1 billion it will give out to help renters and landlords out. The California State Eviction Moratorium is to protect renters having financial difficulty to pay rent because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Its protection extends back from April 1st, 2020 and will expire September 30th, 2021. What this means is that starting October 1st, 2021, renters who don't pay the rent due for that month for October 2021 and going forward can be served notice to pay or quit and eventually be evicted if the rent is not paid. Unpaid rent from before October 1st is still due and has to be paid. It'll be up to the renter and landlord to work out a payment plan. There is some good news though, and that is the state has put into place a Housing is Key program, link in the description, to actually pay the unpaid rent. The state has $1 billion to make landlords whole, meaning the state will pay 100% of the rent not paid between April 1st, 2020 through September 30th, 2021. Either side can apply, but both sides have to sign off before any money is handed out. $1 billion is a lot of money, but apply quick before it runs out. What landlords should know is that you are required to apply before you can take any action to evict after the moratorium ends. Landlords who file for eviction without first having applied for this assistance after October 1st could get their case thrown out in court. If you live in the city of Los Angeles, the eviction moratorium does not have a set end date, so it will not end on September 30th. You will still be protected or screwed depending on which side of the rent trek you're on. Just make sure you know if you're in the city of LA or not, because the city boundaries are a little tricky. How long the City of LA moratorium will go on is not known, but the state did put a limitation that it could not go past May 31st, 2023. This is dale.shin. Click the thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Stay tuned for my next video.